This video is basically a bunch of fishing clips that weren't long enough to make into a full video, so I just put all them together, and this is the video. They're all really good, though, so keep watching. Cool, good enough. Alright, let's get this guy down there. There we go. First fish of the day. Holy crap! Oh my god, that is a giant bluegill, guys. Holy crap. If you guys don't know, I'm trying to get a 10-inch bluegill for a bit, so this guy might do it. My tackle box is exactly 10 inches, so let's see. Nah, but that's still a nice bluegill. Send it right back. Wish I didn't have to throw it off the bridge, but only way to get it back in. Something's trying to eat my bluegill. Probably. What is it? Whoa. Holy crap. Oh my god. It's a giant smallmouth. Hold up. I'm not gonna land this fish. Holy, yeah! Let's go! Holy crap! That's a giant smallmouth. Holy crap. Oh my god. I can't believe I landed this thing. And it's not a gut hook. It might be one of my bigger smallmouth ever.
Uh-huh. And then we got something that big here.
Oh yeah.
Enjoy.
Alright, let's send this dude back, guys. Alright, just, wish I could give him a better release, but yeah, just... Sorry. Holy crap! Check this out. If he didn't rob me, this is gonna be nice. There we go. I actually got this one in. Not yet, I guess, but here we go. Catfish number 1 of the day. And species number 1. And, okay. Unhooking these guys is always a pain. So, if you could open his mouth, that'd be nice. Come on. Alright, somehow got this guy unhooked properly. So, yeah, send him back. Ooh, nice. Those guys are annoying. Another catfish, it looks like. Is that a flathead? No way. That's a flathead catfish, guys. I didn't know we had them in here. It's cool. And he's barely hooked. Easy release. I said, please release yourself. I don't want to have to touch you. You're like slimy. Yeah. Got him. Another one. This one's fighting a lot harder. It's probably a bigger catfish. Holy crap. There we go. Another flathead. Another flathead catfish. Cool. Bunch of photos today, so whoa. Okay, no photo apparently. Not yet. Trust me, not yet.
Alright, I'll trust you.
There we go.
That's a cat.
Yep. Oh, he's fighting. Wow. There we go.
Oh.
There we go.
This one's a brown bullhead, because look at its chin barbels. It's black.
Huh.
How do you unhook him?
Huh. How do I unhook him?
Yeah.
So you don't want to get barbed. That's the
Exactly.
first thing.
I mean,
I've done once, and I started freaking out because I thought I had to go to the hospital.
Turtle. Oh, no. Keep going. Is there a turtle? Are you on? I saw my lamb running like.
Alrighty. Pliers?
I have pliers.
Man, I hate these fish. I hate unhooking these guys.
Also, I have this if you want. You can hold its mouth with this.
Oh, thank God. Thank God for that. Oh, God.
This is why I just don't like the bullheads. I love the bullheads. Because, you know,
Well, I don't think his mouth is going to open, so just give me the pliers.
I sometimes force it open.
Yeah, I'd rather not do that.
Yo, why do they bite your line?
What? I don't know. Anyway, I gotta just shake.
Oh, there's a carp out there.
God dang it. There we go. Yeah, he has it. He has it. There we go. Catfish on. And will I not get stung by his fin? Will you stop spinning that direction? Because we are literally tangled on his fin. Okay, how are we going to get out of that mess? Pliers. Okay, open your mouth. Alright, let's take this. Nick, can you hold the line up while I just try to get the hook? Oh, I see. Ow. Sorry, I see what the problem is. Just hold the line up. Right. Hold just a bit longer while I try to, okay, I got a hold of the hook. He almost got me with his fin. Alright, guys. Let's send him back now. Alright, guys, you ready to send him back? Alright, here he goes. There we go. There we go. Ah, nice. Catfish. Dang it. It's a catfish. There we go. The nice thing about these circle hooks is that they just come right out of the fish. Alright, check this out. There we go, a nice catfish. Send it back where he belongs. In the water. Fishing some more. I'm using the trout magnet that I bought from the vending machine. But I have to use a Zebco because my other rod just can't cast one. It's just too heavy. If you fish enough, you'll know it's really hard to cast light baits on bigger rods. So I just gotta there we go, that's a fish. Oh, smallmouth. Oh, rock bass. There we go. That's a cool catch. I told Nick they were here. Yeah, they are here. Nick! Rock bass. Yeah. I'm gonna send it back though. Pretty cool though. Really slow day, guys, but there we go. There's another fish. Yeah, decent sized bluegill. Okay, we'll send this guy back where he belongs.